Oh, you know what? Will you put this box in another one in the garage, please?
This one in the garage?
Yes, please.
Gosh, I wish he'd get some of his ties. He doesn't have very nice ties, I think.
Well, you can't take his ties.
I know, I just want to look at him.
Come on.
Oh, look at his ties.
Stop it.
Look at that.
Stop it.
That's
Stop it. You're
hideous.
so rude.
Oh, I'm sorry, but sorry, not sorry.
Come
I like
on.
this one. And this one too, look at that. For sure.
You want to
I'll
steal
never
them?
know.
Is that what you want to do?
I'll never know. The heck? Says I am done the bomb. Oh my god! No! 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 Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? I really can't believe you. I really can't believe you're trying that. I really can't.
Help me on the box!
Gosh!